Meaning of incoming.
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 Incoming. The word incoming is an adjective used to describe something that is arriving or approaching. It can be used to refer to a person, object, or communication such as an email or phone call. The term is commonly used in situations where something is expected or anticipated, such as incoming flights to an airport or incoming messages to a messaging app. Overall, the term incoming describes the act of coming or arriving and is often associated with a sense of anticipation or expectation.